Hi everyone, and welcome to this drawing video. In this video, I'm working on a drawing of Toy Story 4, and I can't believe it's been almost 24 years since the first film. That's amazing. I remember the first film when I was a child, and the excitement and the hype around it, and the characters and all the toys that came out as well. So I think it's really awesome to see Toy Story 4 and the success it's having already. That's why I really wanted to try some fan art. In this case, you can see that while I was working on the sketch, I decided to work on Woody, Buzz, Bo Peep, and Forky. When I was eventually happy with the sketch, I moved on to using a Copic Multiliner SP 0.03 for the outlines. After that, it was time for the colouring, and for this I used Copic markers and Prismacolor pencils. And it's been a while since I worked with pencils in this way, adding them over the top of the markers, and in this case using them to add highlighted colouring around the outer edges of the characters. If you're interested in finding out all the different colours of the markers and the pencils I used, then I'm going to make sure to add a detailed list in the description for you. Oh, and also for any white highlights, I used a white GellyRoll pen and a white Uni-Ball pen. For the final part, as you can see, I decided to add a background with a panel and some clouds. Then I just continued to add some finishing touches with some extra details and some highlights. And after that, this drawing was completed. And overall, I think it ended up taking almost 17 hours, so it was a big project. I didn't initially anticipate taking as much time as I did on this project, but I'm glad I did. I'm glad I spent a bit of extra time and effort, because I really enjoyed the process, working with markers and pencils in this way again. I found it so much fun to add that highlighted colouring, as I mentioned earlier, around the outer edges of the characters. Be sure to let me know what you think of this in the comments below, and also let me know if you have any suggestions for future drawings you'd like to see me try. If you're interested in seeing more videos like this, then feel free to subscribe to my channel, and any thumbs up or shares on this video are hugely appreciated. If you want to follow and support my progress, then be sure to check out the links in the description for my Twitter, Facebook, Instagram and Patreon. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for the support. I really appreciate it. And I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you all soon.